we are pleased to show you the 2005 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, traction control, anti-lock braking system, running boards, power steering, HomeLink garage door opener, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats. Come see the car for yourself.